Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of blue screen errors, what they are and how you can fix them yourself. First, let's understand the common causes. These errors can come from hardware issues, like failing components, or software conflicts. The first step is often the simplest: reboot your computer. Basic troubleshooting can resolve many issues. Next, identify the error code. Understanding what these messages mean is key to diagnosing the problem. Booting in safe mode can help. This mode allows you to access the system registry and start up programs with minimal interference. If safe mode doesn't work, consider using System Restore to roll back to a previous working state. Updating or rolling back device drivers may solve compatibility issues that lead to blue screens. Use Windows tools to run a memory check, diagnosing any issues with your RAM. Perform hard drive diagnostics to identify bad sectors and errors that may cause system instability. If these steps don't resolve your issue, it might be time to seek professional help. Prevention is the best cure.